Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. The Lego City Express passenger train. Oh my goodness, it's my first train set. We get lights included and it's powered so you can drive it around on the tracks. Now it is a bit pricey, it's $250, but as with all my Lego that I purchased, I bought it for $150 on Amazon. There was a sale, so I'm super stoked. We get a pink bike, which I love the look of. We get a lady there holding a croissant, but I didn't realize how big this set is, so I don't know where I'm going to put it. But anyway, let's worry about what's inside. We have some loose train tracks. I thought they'd be in a bag, but they're all loose there. And we're going to get all these bags out of the box. There's 764 pieces in this set. We get the train tracks and the power pack included, so they come in separate bags. Yep, 7 bags. And what else is there? The instructions in that sleeve, nice and protected. We get stickers, so they're for the train. And what else? How many instructions? I think there's 4 booklets in this, so I really like that you can get 4 people building this. Everyone gets a booklet and a bag to build with. Alright, all aboard and let's get ready to build. We have the train driver. He's got a dark turquoise shirt, he's wearing a hat, and he's wearing some dark blue pants. And the conductor lady, she looks great, same coloured shirt, but she's got lots of detail there. And we get a little girl here, and she's wearing the Newbury High jacket there with squids on the back. Love those glasses, but she doesn't seem very impressed. I think she's got a lot of work to do on her laptop. Here we have the cyclist in a coral race suit. Love those purple gloves. Check out that printing on the back. Looks great. And he's got that pink bike, which I really like. And he needs to have some saddlebags on the side because he's going to be delivering lots of stuff. So we're going to pop him on here. And he's going to ride away. I love that pink bike. Now we got this lady here wearing a very bright, happy shirt. And she has another face there, smiling. Love that candy coloured hair that she has. She's going to hold a mobile phone. And she has a very heavy suitcase, so she's just going to stand over there. And lastly, we got this guy in the red flannelette shirt. We have to pop his head on. No, I'm putting the bag on first. Hang on, now his head. He needs his hair on, but we're going to make him sit down because he is going to be in a wheelchair. I love this wheelchair design, and so does he. It's spinning round and round. Oh, great selection of minifigs. The set begins with a little train station on a track. Finishing it off with this map, and we're going to pop the girl over here and the cyclist. This part of the instructions just shows you that you need batteries for these controllers and the little motor there. And it takes up quite a few batteries, so 10 all up. You got to pop them in the right way, and you got different speeds, so the train can drive faster and slower, which I didn't realise. we've got these magnet bits for the train. Time to begin the train and its engine hub. This is a nice piece, like one piece. Looks like a little mini figurehead. I thought it looked like the Batman symbol to me, but no, it's just decorations for the wheels for the train. And then that's the little magnet bit. So it needs to go underneath here. So I need to work out how to pop it in, which hole to lock it into. And this is just some more of the wheel sections to pop in. This is the nose part of the train, and I like the colour green of this train. That's why I wanted to buy this one, and because I missed out on that yellow train from a few years back. But this is looking really good, so let's attach it here and continue building. Oh yes, these cable bits are the lights for the front of the train. So they just go at the front, and what do I attach them to? Hang on, I missed out on this Technic brick. So I've got to pop them in there. And when you turn the train on, it's going to have some nice lights. So that's a nice feature to add to the train also. This is the battery pack, and you'll need to pop in 6 batteries into this. So now I just need to connect it, and you need to connect it a certain way. There we are. I like how it fits in so neatly, and it's so easy to follow on the instructions. That's the on and off button for the train, so you just press it down to turn the train on and off. The train driver is going in because he wants to test it out already. Alright, let's test this train out, and it works. Oh wow, it actually works quite well. I need to be careful it doesn't drive off my desk. This section here is for the first carriage, and this carriage is going to have some seating, and it's going to have like a little kitchen area servery. Here's the little cash register and 1 croissant for sale. There will also be a coffee machine and a little oven with a hot dog. Time to pop lots and lots of windows in so you can look out while you're driving along, and I forgot to pop these stickers on, so I've got to get them on there now. Try and get them on nice and neatly. now we have some big double doors going in on both sides. I need to pop the minifigures in, so the guy on the wheelchair and the conductor lady's going on. Get you in, buddy. Off you go. And now we are doing the second train carriage. So this one is same type of build, it just won't have a little kitchen in there, there'll be more seating. So more of these windows going in, and I just noticed I popped the wrong stickers on the wrong carriage. So this one's meant to have the bike, and the one that's got the little kitchenette's supposed to have the wheelchair one. That's right, I fixed it. That carriage is all done, happy shirt lady goes in, and we need to pop the cyclist in also. So this is the bike section of the train. Okay, here comes the train, let's connect it so the magnets lock it in place. And look at this, this is a very long train. Okay, I'm going to press the button on top, so I had to hold it down to turn the train on. Same with the little controller. And let's test this out. Oh, okay, so if you want to stop it, you've got to press the red button. Okay, now I need to pop these tracks all together. So I need to break these little pins. Now apparently you keep those pins, so I'm not throwing them out. I don't know what people use them for. Let me know if you know. Let's pop the train track together. So here it is, and popping the train on the track, and let's start it up. So it goes very slowly at the start. Hang on, what's going on here? It's not moving. Oh, you need to pop the wheels on properly. Alright, let's try it again. I need to help it along. Come on, there we go. Looks like a big green caterpillar. Round and round it goes. And I'm pressing the plus button, and look how fast it's going round. It actually goes round really quick. It's moving the track a bit. Look at the track moving from side to side. Oh, wow. I'm loving this train for my first train. I am super stoked. There, I stopped it in front of the station and it's taking off slowly. I'm just testing out these controls. Oh, I really like this train. I think it's a great build. So, very easy to build. Kids can build this. It holds together really well. Like, there's no pieces that fall off. I wish the train station was a little bit more detailed, but you know, I'll build something for that. I'll build like a little ticket area or a little coffee shop or something for it. But this set is definitely worth getting, so if you can get it on discount, I would. I wouldn't pay full price for that. It's just way too much. But you know what this means? Now I need to buy some more tracks because I need this to drive around everywhere. So everyone, get your bricks out.